How to remove WhatsApp group voice chat. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove WhatsApp group voice chat. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now what you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select settings. Now scroll down and find the option of chat. Select that. Now you will find the option chat backup. Go ahead and tap on the backup option. Once all of your messages have been backed up, you simply want to uninstall WhatsApp. After you have uninstalled WhatsApp, you want to install the old version of WhatsApp. Then log into your account. Now when you open in the group chat, you will see that the voice group chat option has been removed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.